Hi guys, I'm making a salad. I normally tell people every time they cook their food, they should make at least a raw salad, something really simple. So normally I put onions, I put garlic, I put tomatoes. If I have hoho, I put hoho, and I always put cucumber. So it makes, and obviously you have some lime or lemon. So I normally put lime because normally I buy my lime at a wholesale price, so it's really cheap. So even tomatoes, buying the kilos instead of buying 2 or 3 tomatoes, I buy maybe 3 or 5 kilos at a very throwaway price. Then when they ripen, you can either sell some to others or you can put them in the fridge. So I have my onions. I don't have measurements of what I'm putting. I just put all that. I just make sure I put lime so that the tartness or whatever of the onion, you don't feel like you're eating raw onions, because when you put the lemon, it makes it more palatable. So I'm going to cut all this. I'll not put all the onions. I'm leaving some to do other things with it. So now I'm going to cut this. I'll cut the tomatoes, the cucumber, the hoho, then the garlic, and then I'll sprinkle all that in a container with lime. So let's get to that. Hey guys, I've cut them up as you can see. Now I'll just put them in a container. Put it in that container there, and then I will squeeze the lime. I'll show you. I'll just do it with my hands, and that's it. Oh yeah, and some avocado. This time I'll put avocado. Normally I don't put, but I'll put. Then this you can eat with anything, with rice sometimes, with greens like that, something like that. Or if you're into raw, you do lettuce or arugula or anything. Oh yeah, I normally also put cilantro. You can just get that. There is the cilantro. I just want to chop it up and put it in the bowl there. So okay, I've just put the avocado and the cilantro. So all I'm going to do is just squeeze the lime. I normally just squeeze it just like that. If you're using both hands, you can put it on the hands so you can capture the seeds. Or you can just use a lime squeezer if you have one. So that's how I normally do it. Yeah, then I'll just mash it up and then I'll show you how it looks, and yeah, that's it. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more recipes, and you can share the video to someone you think would love to eat salads with their cooked food. And that's it guys, and bye.